Good morning, baby boy. How you doing? How are you? You in a good mood today? Yeah. Yeah. Really? I didn't know that. Really? Fascinating. Uh-oh. That's a sad story. That sounds like a sad story. Oh. Oh, no. Tell me a happy story. Can you tell me a happy story? Hi. Hi, buddy man. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How are you? You tell me a happy story? A happy story? Hi. What? Tell me a happy story. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's a happy story. Hi. Happy. Oh, serious. A serious story. With the eyebrows. Oh, hiccup time. You okay with those hiccups? You're smirking at those hiccups. Yeah. All right. We'll leave you to finish these hiccups. Good job, buddy man.